arriving at Pilot Flying J, on the right.
All of them are EUA, because it's in Europe or something, it's not clear. So you've got three that are EUA, and you're free, mix and match. You take one shot over here, put the other one in your head, the other one in your face, and you don't have to worry about it. And then suddenly, an employer will say, you got to be fully vaccinated to work here. Karen, am I getting it right? I mean, we don't know if the term means fully vaccinated, but you're fired if you're not. I would like to know. I would like to know exactly how you feel today, because the allegation is there's a vaccine. So, Carrie, I am reporting you correct, I heard, yes?
Correct, yes.
Now, what did they release at the Jemison and Bay?
They did not, I guess.
You have 0 hours and 5 minutes of remaining drive time.
You got more confidence.
Every year, public school teachers spend nearly 500 hours of
So do you know what look at those studies make that decision? So why should I feel guilty about that? Why should I feel pressure?
You are out of hours of service driving time. You are out of hours of service driving time. You are out of hours of service driving time. You are out of hours of service driving time. You are out of hours of service driving time. You are out of hours of service driving time. You are out of hours of service driving time.
And now I have to move that way.
Anyway, when you turn in, you can pull up,
Okay.
and that's your yellow line. If
Okay.
you want to match between the lines.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you okay?
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
What's my mirror?
Yeah.
Parts and service to your construction equipment. Century Equipment Company in Dyersburg. The service you need to stay on the job.
Good morning.
Morning. Hey, are you from the Philippines?
Yes, sir. You know, you have a friend from the Philippines?
A lot of Cebu.
Cebu.
Yeah. Oh, that's where you from?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Then I got friends in South Cotabato. South Cotabato.
Cotabato.
Yeah, General Santos.
General Santos.
Yeah, I like
Where?
you.
That's where Manny Pacquiao.
Oh yeah.
The boxer?
Oh, is he?
Yes, General.
I know he's running for president.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Bohol.
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 You know a lot of places in
Yeah,
Philippines.
Manila. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know quite a bit.
You must go there. That's nice country.
When I retire, I want to move there.
Oh yeah, good.
I want to move to there because when I get this retirement, well, Social Security, I can live good there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, nice to be there.
Yeah. You make us pay bison. Y'all from out of Canada.
Canada, Winnipeg, but I am from Toronto Terminal.
Oh, you from Toronto?
Because bison is everywhere in Canada.
Yeah, I've been over there to Quebec.
Quebec?
I mean, not Quebec. I went to Alberta,
Alberta,
Calgary.
Calgary,
I went to Calgary,
Edmonton.
Red Deer.
Yeah. If this is Winnipeg,
Yeah.
this is Calgary, Edmonton. All Toronto is here.
What's there?
Toronto,
Oh, Toronto.
Toronto, Montreal, and Calgary is here.
Yeah. Winnipeg. I've heard of.
Yeah.
I've never been there. But hey, do they hire American drivers?
There?
Bison.
Yeah, we have a company here.
Where?
It's Briton and HOL.
Where?
Briton and HOL. It's a American company but owned by Bison.
Okay.
Yeah. It's based in Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin. How about you? Where are you from?
I'm originally from the Houston area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Houston.
I'm from the Houston area. But before then I lived in Orlando, Florida.
I went there 2 weeks ago in Laredo and Houston. I went to Hidalgo, Texas.
Oh, okay, all right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, man, I'm come over here.
Okay.
I gotta go on the inside and get me something to eat.
Thank you, sir. What's your name?
All right. Hey, pleasure meeting you too.
Marlon.
Marlo or Clark.
Ghost. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Let me give you my phone number. What's your number?
647 893
Hold up.
893.
And your name is Marlon.
Marlon. Yeah. There's a lot of Filipinos in Texas.
Is it? Oh, yeah, they're nurses. They're
Yeah,
nurses.
nurses.
Yeah. I have a friend of mine. He used to be my neighbor. In Baytown when I first moved back to Texas. And his wife was a nurse. Then he moved to Dallas here. Yeah, hey, I'm going to.
Okay, miss, call me.
Okay.
Yeah, here.
281.
Yeah, 281.
673,
Yeah.
988.
Yeah, 1988.
All right, I'm gonna pull over there so I can go on the inside the store. But anyway, God bless you. Be
Okay.
safe out here, brother.
You too, sir. What name I'll put here?
Carlton.
Huh?
Carlton. C-A-R-L-T-O-N.
Carson?
C-A-R-L.
Carlson.
T-O-N. C-A-R-L, like Carl,
Carlson.
Ton.
Okay.
T-O-N.
Carlson.
Carlton.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Hey, you too, man. God bless you.
God bless you too. May naging friend ako dito sa truck stop, dito sa Kentucky. Marami siyang alam na lugar sa Pilipinas. Cebu, Bohol, General Santos. Gusto niya daw, pag-retire niya, gusto niyang doon na manirahan sa Philippines. Ayos. Pangalan niya po ay si Carlson from Texas. Siya pong nag-assist sa akin kagabi kasi dito pagdating ko, ito ang spot na available, may in between na trailer. Siyempre, baguhan tayo, nahihirapan pag-back up ng medyo tight. Sabi niya, "Are you alright, son?" Sabi ko, "Can you please assist me, sir? I'm a new driver." So, yan, no? Huwag kang mahiya. Kaya nag-assist siya sa akin, tapos ayos yung pagpasok.